Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so the update proceeds cleanly. Sign into your Microsoft account inside Word, confirm your subscription or license, and save or back up any open documents to OneDrive or a local folder. Once done, make sure your device is online and plugged in if a large update is expected. Now open Word, go to File Account, and keep this window ready. It shows update options and your current build so you can move to the next step. Next, decide how you'll install the new Word version and why each path matters. If you're on Microsoft 365, click Update Options Update Now inside Account. This pulls the latest build and keeps settings. If you need an offline installer, download the exact Office package from your account portal and run it to replace or repair files. Alternatively, run Windows Update for cumulative Office patches when IT manages policies. Make sure to monitor progress. Large updates may take several. Finish the process by restarting Word and then your computer so all components reload. Once restarted, open Word and check File Account to confirm the new version and build number. This verifies success and ensures new features are active. Test a couple of documents to confirm macros, add-ins, and templates behave as expected. If something breaks, use the built-in repair tool or restore from the backup you made. As a quick troubleshooting tip, clear Office cache and reinstall the update if errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.